Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going into the Mina fish market to try the same like Dampa style in the Philippines. You can choose your own fish in a fish market, and then you go to the restaurant, and then which dish you want, then they can cook for you. So come on, join our family and let's go! So it's 6:30 in the evening here in Abu Dhabi. So this is the best time to look and find a dinner, seafoods dinner. That's why we're going there in Mina. So all this restaurant here is they are accepting also live grilling and cooking. So we're going inside to check the difference between the price in the restaurant and the price if you buy a fish directly here in the fish market, and compare which we can get less. 30 45. How about this shrimp? This one 60 per kilo, the big one. How much a kilo for that? 65. So we'll buy here in this area, and then in the other side of the restaurant there is a small like a reception, so you can ask for to cook this one. So after we collect the fish and then give it to the restaurant, they're giving us here, I don't know the written in Arabic, but they're saying we have 4 total items for the fish and some other shrimp. So you will go in the restaurant to wait for the cooking.
You can also order here if you don't like to go to the fish market.
But it's a little bit pricey compared if you buy in the restaurant. Oh, sorry, in the fish market. So here's the menu. There we have also shrimps and all everything that you can find in the fish market. Then you can order here also.
Oh, this is nice. Wow!
Your favorite. You're also into the camera.
Wow! Give Tito JC. Huh? Ako pahingi ako. Ha? I will buy donut ka naman.
And this is the sea bream, and this is the seagull they said, and calamares and shrimp grilled, also sea bream there, and patus salad, and then this is the hamdan and rice. So that's it. So this one they call it seagull. We bought it around only 30 dirhams for 3 pieces, so almost 110 dirhams per piece. So it tastes like a shrimp and lobster. We're done. Just a quick review for the Gandofly seafood restaurant. So I can say the service is good, and the service charge is not that much compared to the other restaurant there. We love the seafoods, and even you just grill the seafoods, it has its taste itself. Salad a little bit pricey for me. Sometimes you can go there, but every day is not. For me, it's expensive. For me, I don't know with you because you have a lot of money. So if you want some breakdown of what total of our what we spend there, so we 110 for the shrimp, fish, and everything, and then 160 in the restaurant itself, 40 for the service charge, and 25 table charge, and some salad 15, hummus 15, and then rice 40. Before we were thinking that we heard that the rice is only 14 dirhams, but when we checked the receipts, 40 dirhams. So it's I think it's a little bit pricey, but it's a lot of quantity of that rice. 10 people can eat also. So of course we are Asian, so we're allowed to eat the rice. And also cola drinks, soft drinks is around 5 dirhams. So we just first time to try today, so we're satisfied, I can say. And I'm satisfied also with the food. Only some hassle with our baby. we cannot avoid that hassle from our baby Rocco and baby Rania. So it's a part of the game, it's a part of the life. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have some question, you can comment down below. And we have a lot of restaurant vlog and reviews also in our channel. You can try to check that one. And if you have some if you like our family, of course, please hit subscribe and hit like if you want this video. So thank you very much, and see you soon in our next video. Bye.